Hi students, today we are going to see the topic of store layout and design, which is in the specialization of marketing retail management. Okay, let's see the store layout and design. In the previous classes already we discussed about the shopping centers and the locations. So how we have to make the shopping centers like that. Now we are going to see the topic of the store layout. What is the store layout? The layout means before to make any design, we are making a blueprint like that. For example, if you want to build any house, what we will do, we will make a one paperwork and make a sketch and diagram. After that we will ready to construct the building. Like that, here we have to make a layout, that is the store, how we have to place the product and how we have to make it a right panel. So the type of panel stores layout can influence the customer's products and decisions. So the store should be designed to facilitate the free movement of customer, create a planned store experience, and also to make an optimum presentation of merchandise. What is here I'm telling means the customers have to be go see when we are going to any shopping mall, there must be the path to move freely. If we are not moving freely, what will be happen? We cannot we cannot pick up our products from that particular racks. So the store must and should have to be designed to pick up easily to the customer. So we have to create a plan to pick that products from the racks like that. So the store layout is the one of the important one in the retail business. Okay, the main objective of the store layout is the customers must have to identify the image of the product. And see, when we are going to any shopping mall, we can easily identify this is that product. How we can identify? Because there is so many racks. So and it is displayed to us. When the product is displayed only, it is very easy to pick up to the customer. So when the store layout is good, and consumer behavior will also be positively to us. Why? Because they can see that products and there is no other disturbance to them and to the to the retailers who is selling the product. So a good store layout and design must consider the cost associated and also the value received in terms of higher sales and profits. So that is the major objective, to make a flexibly and any changes in the merchandise with its store image. So the store design is very flexible to adopt, and also with the merchandise have to change it the store images. That's why the store layout is the major one. So while let us see the creating an environment, how it is creating to purchase to the design. The retails outlets, we will call this outlets, means outside of the particular area the store is there. Why the stores are in the outs of the place? Because here the place is very important, this must be spacious. So the stores must be attracted. The spacious only we can easily go there and park our bike or car, whatever it may be, and we can purchase that goods from the stores. So the retail outlets have to work towards enticing impulse purchases. They have to create an attractive store design which all motivate consumers to visit and purchase goods at the store. So there are 4 dimensions of store design. So what are the 4 dimensions of store design means? Here the design logic, design expression, design executive, and design output. Let's see what is design logic. The design logic here we are going to see first one. The design logic, this refers to behind the rationalize of answering consumer questions, what to do what to do, I get in organization retail shop. That means which is better than an unorganized, that is like a kirana shop. So the design logic can give that how we can make an goods in the systematic way. So when we go to kirana shops, is there is any products display to us? No. Why? Because they only know, the merchandise only know how, yeah, which product is there and where it is, but we don't know. When we go to any shopping mall, the display is very nice and we can pick up where the product, and so the design logic is very important here. Next one, the design expression. Coming to the design expression, it is approaching the retail business with emotion evoked in the differentiable expressive concept is referred to a design expression. What is that? That means emotion evoked means they showing that product is very useful to us. See, now the climate is not good, so what is happening due to corona? Nowadays everybody is buying the vaporizer, oximeter. So it is the emotional one to us, that is how to purchase it, and it is very useful to us. How the time we don't know, what the condition we don't know, and also the sanitizer, especially the sanitizers is using a lot like that. And also here, yeah, due to the seasonal and festival times, there they can give so many uh, percentages, means discounts to us. And as also they making like the cutouts like that, making some balloons designs to the stores. So the design expression is the next one for the store design. The third one is the design execution. The design execution is create the store it is created to the customer's surprise, which is differentially to the exclusion and evaluate the outlet from the ordinary commodity market. Why it is happening? See, if you purchasing some products in some stores, they are providing the they are the good, how what they are providing means some discounts, not discounts, they are giving a best customer awards like that. So they are giving the awards and giving some other surprises, some other vouchers like that. Okay, so this is the one of the store design execution. Okay, the fourth one is the design output. The design output should be gain sustainable connectivity to the customers. Why? Because this really a challenge for the retailer, because the retailer store design must encompasses aesthetics. The consumer may design and attract. We have to attract to the customer what the shop merchandising, and also the external character. What is that means? I done there are so many competitors to us. So how to attract that person? What here? The store must be very convenient to the consumer. We have to repeat twicely. So this is the major one in the choosing the store design. Now let us see the topic of the store operation and inventory management. In the store operation, we having the major topics to discuss is the store atmosphere, cash handling, customer services, refunds and returns, visual merchandise, training program, inventory and stock management. What is store atmosphere? We know the atmosphere means it must be, few it is very hot, what will be happen? We will get little bit irritated. If it is very rainy, we will feel very uneasy in the muddy like that. We can't bear that. So like that, the store atmosphere must be in the positive way, and the customers have to come and buy that products with not having any problems. The store should not give a cluttered look. The product should be properly arranged on the shelves according to their sizes and pattern. There should be no fuel smell. Fuel smell means consider here గబ్బు వాసన అంటారు కదా, అదనమాట. సో దిస్ మస్ట్ నాట్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ ది స్టోర్స్. So it may be irritate to the customer. See, even when it is rainy, what will be happen, our houses will get some smells like that. So the stores must not be like that. If it is like that, the customer will feel very uneasy. So that's why the first one, the atmosphere of the store is very very important to make to customer very nice and healthy. Okay, to feel it is very nice. And they don't allow the customer to carry eatables inside the stores. Why we must not accept the customer to eatable the in the stores? Means if they are ready to eat that products, what will be happen, they will throw here and there without having any neatness. So it's causes to us. That's why the store atmosphere is make a problem. So we must not allow any customer to take the products or to take the products to eat inside the stores. Okay, next one is the cash handling. It is very important. Why the cash handling is important? Because the retailers who is coming to take the daily products, the cash flow is very important. That is profit and loss, where it is getting. So the cash register, electronic cash management system must and should be there, because so many are coming and purchasing our products. There is so much bills will be there, and they are purchasing the sales. That's why the system must be computerized. So when it is computerized, the point of the sales system help the retailer to manage the daily sales and the revenue generated. Okay, the next one is the customer service. The customer service is the major one in the business sector. So the customers are the assets to the retail business, and the retailer cannot afford to lose even a single customer. So the retailer cannot lose. Why? Because if the single customer is lose, what will be happen to us? So the word of mouth, it will get a bad remark to the retail. So we have to greet the customers with a smile, and we have to assist them in their shopping. So the sales representative should help the individuals to buy merchandise as per their needs and their whatever their pocket. Okay, that means pocket in the sense not to take. They have to provide that where it is having the groceries, or where we can get the meat, where we can get the milk, where we can get the food, or where we can get the electronic products. Like this, the sales representatives have to help. Okay, next one is the refunds and returns. Majorly it is the very high business, refunds and returns. What is the refunds? Means if the customer is not happy of buying that product, some online companies will provide the refund. That means cash return. And returns means refund, and returns means exchanging of the goods. That means I'm using some days and I'm not happy about this product. These are used by the some online companies. Okay, formulating a concentration refund policy if I use the stores will develop, because if there is any damages, if there is any problem, we have to return it. The store should have fixed timings for exchange of merchandise. Why? Because we have to get the fixed timing. I am buying today and using 1 month after I want to return, means it is not perfect. Without any damage or without any problem, they cannot bear all the things. That's why if there is any damage, or if there is any problem, so the retailer, the stores can take the return. So never exchange product in lieu of cash. Never be rude to the customer. Instead help him to find something else. Okay, that is the refunds and returns. Next one is the visual merchandising. Visual merchandising means it should be light in the stores due to the burn light immediately. So don't stock unnecessary furniture at the stores. Why? Because it is not suitable. When we put in the stores, the colors may be damages due to the heat. That's why must not make any visualize highly in the heat. Okay, Next one is the training program. The store manager must conduct frequent training programs for the sales representatives, cashiers, and other team members to motivate them from time to time to make a proper work, and also to make a how they have to follow their duties and regulators. Okay, so it is the store manager's responsibility to update his subordinates with the latest software in the retail or any other developments in the industry. That is the major one, to give the training. While the latest one, because if the latest software or latest updates, if they are getting only, we can make the work fastly. Okay, inventory and stock management. The retailers must ensure to manage inventory to avoid being out of stock. Every retailer chain should have its own warehouse to stock the merchandise. Take educate steps to prevent loss of the inventory and stock. So must and should they have to be out of stock. They have to avoid that out of stock, must to avoid it. Means yearly whatever the stocks they having, they have to make to sale. They must not put out of stock, and it may cause the hassle. Why? Because there is the changes in the generations. Okay, these are the major operations: store operation and inventory management. Developing assortment plan. What is the assortment plan? Means here we are selecting, so there are the selections of merchandises in the retailer area. So it includes breadth of the product categories and the variety which is in each category. Need to choose quality of merchandise expensively and inexpensive items. Number of goods and services retailers carries in width of assortment. The depth of assortments refers to variety in any one goods or service category a retailer carries. So what are the factors of assortment planning? Means first one is the brand strategy. That means brand and model of the business, and what is the current trends, and what is the current market position, and we have to see the sales and the margin history. So, and the major one is the channels or distribution management. Means the retailer have to have a channel to provide, and also the financial plans they have to make in the organization. Means sales management and inventory. So these are the major topics for the store layout. That means store design. Okay, store design and inventory management. In the next class, let us see the merchandise planning and controlling. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day.